The Trump administration is dealing with a legal blow tonight. 2 cases against high-profile critics of the president have been dropped. But as Erica Brown reports, the Justice Department has vowed to appeal those decisions.
Well, Erica and Joe, former FBI Director James Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James were handed legal wins today, with a federal judge tossing the criminal charges against them on procedural grounds. But the White House is pushing back against the ruling, calling it an attempt to intervene in accountability. A federal judge Monday dismissed the indictments against former FBI Director James Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James, ruling the interim U.S. attorney who secured their indictments, Lindsey Halligan, was unlawfully appointed by the Justice Department.
This case mattered to me personally, obviously, but it matters most because a message has to be sent that the President of the United States cannot use the Department of Justice to target his political enemies.
Halligan was appointed as interim prosecutor after the previous U.S. attorney was ousted. But the judge ruled that interim position is limited to just one prosecutor serving for 120 days.
What the judge concluded here today is you can't then install somebody else, Lindsey Halligan, to serve another 120-day term. Basically, you get your first 120 days. You don't keep getting 120 days after that.
Comey was charged with making a false statement and obstruction of justice related to his congressional testimony in 2020. And James was charged with bank fraud and making false statements to a financial institution. Attorney General Pam Bondi said the Justice Department will appeal the ruling.
We'll be taking all available legal action, including an immediate appeal, to hold Letitia James and James Comey accountable for their unlawful conduct.
In Monday's ruling, the judge said the White House exceeded its authority with Halligan's appointment, but the Trump administration maintains the move was legal and called the ruling an unprecedented action. Both cases were dismissed without prejudice, meaning the Justice Department could seek to refile. But Comey's case runs up against a statute of limitations. Now, New York Attorney General Letitia James reacted to this decision, calling the ruling a victory and saying she remains fearless in the face of these baseless charges. Reported from the White House, Erica Brown, CBS News, Chicago.